Silka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at the 23rd question from this new digital SAT Test 1 Math. And number 23 reads, which expression is equivalent to 9x squared plus 7x plus 9x? When you've got the same variables and the same exponents, you could add. So here I get 16x squared plus 9x. And I'm done. I know that the answer is D. So what if you're like, yeah, I don't know what to do here. Here's a strategy that even if you don't need it here, you could use it in a more difficult question. Whenever you got variables in the answer choices, what you could do is pick a number. So if I plug 0 in for my x into the original equation, I just get 0. If I plug 0 into every single answer choice there, I just get 0 for each of those answer choices. So I don't want to plug in 0. I could pick 1, but notice if I pick 1, my answer for answer choice B, when I plug 1 in for x, I would get 25. Same thing with D. Same thing with C. So that's not going to be helpful either. What I want to make my x is the simplest number possible that's going to give me different answers in each answer choice. So I'm going to make my x equal to 2. So what does that mean for this? In place of every x in this original equation, I put 2. And remember PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses first, then exponents. We don't have anything to do inside the parentheses, but we do have some exponents. So we've got 9 times 4 plus 7 times 4 plus 18. And then multiplication is the m, and then you get 36 plus 28 plus 18. And if you're doing this at home, boys and girls, make sure you write it vertically. You will have Desmos, so you'll be able to use that as a tool. But you get 82 as your answer. So now what I'm going to do is it makes sense that if I plug 2 in for x into the original, I get 82. Then if I plug 2 in to the correct answer, I should also get 82. And in answer choice A, 63 times 2 to the 4th plus 9 times 2. Now, let's just see our exponent first again. 2 to the 4th, 2, 4, 8, 16. If I multiply 63 times 16, I'm going to be way too big, plus 18. I'm going to be way too big already. Don't worry about getting the exact answer in each answer choice. It's too big. It's going to be bigger than 82. We're looking for 82 as our answer, so that's gone. Answer choice B, 9 times, in place of x again, I put 2 squared plus 16 times 2. And this is going to be 9 times 4 plus 32. And that's going to be 36 plus 32. And that's going to be 68. Too small. B is gone. Answer choice C. I've got 25 times 2 to the 5th. So whenever you're doing 2 to any power, you can just double each time. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 32 times 25, I don't expect you to know it offhand, but I do expect you to be able to recognize that it's too big to be our answer. And then we try answer choice D, and now we've got 16. In place of the x, you put 2 squared plus 9 times 2 equals 16 exponent first times 4 plus 18, which will give you 64 plus 18, which should give you that 82. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty adding exponents, variables with exponents. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.